If I was gonna pick one epoxy that can do everything, I'd pick TotalBoat's 2-to-1 High Performance Epoxy with Slow Hardener. Now why, you might ask? Well, with TotalBoat 2-to-1 High Performance, I can do a deep pour. I just have to do it in layers. But the nice thing is you can control the layers, and you can actually get a deep pour with High Performance Epoxy done faster than you can with a thick pour. You just have to spend more time working with it. Now with high performance, you're gonna wanna pour no more than 1/4 inch deep at a time, but then you can pour every 45 minutes after that. It's also great for knot and crack filling. The viscosity is good enough that it's actually gonna sink down into those knots and cracks. But the faster setup time means if you need to come back and if you've got any bubbles or spots you missed, you can do that a lot faster with high performance. One of the things that I use high performance the most for is inlays. I do a lot of CNC work, carving in a pattern, and 2-to-1 high performance is the perfect thing to do inlays. When you're doing a deep pour on, say, a live edge slab or some other lumber, often you can get bubbles that are trapped inside the wood and they will escape and get into your pour. So what I like to do is I like to seal those edges with high performance. You can just brush it right on and it prevents bubbles in your deep pours. It's also great for doing artistic effects, like say you're doing some sort of diorama that you're gonna then do a deep pour over. I'm gonna reach for high performance and do that initial layer, put whatever pigments in there. If I'm putting any sort of models or anything like that, I'll do that first and then use a thicker epoxy on top of that. And that's why I think high performance epoxy is the best all-around epoxy there is. You can find high performance on TotalBoat.com.